Welcome to another ABS online video. Let's go and find out what we're going to learn today. Hello everyone, it's environments for 18. We are going to look at 4 different environments. We've already looked at mountains and rivers. Now, could you guess which ones we will look at? Did you do some thinking? What are we looking at? Well, I will tell you one environment. Hooray! We are going to look at 4, but today I'm just going to give you a little idea about one of them. It's the one that is so hot. Now, if we look around the world, there are lots of hot places, and there are lots of hot environments. It's the rainforest. Now, I have chosen the rainforest because there's rainforest near my home. There is rainforest in different parts of the world. Lots of different countries have got rainforests. So what will we look at? We will talk a little about the environment. The important thing about an environment is the plants and animals that live there. So, of course, every environment has different animals and different plants. So what lives there? The most famous animal in a rainforest is the gorilla. Now, gorillas don't live near my home. They live in a different rainforest. There are so many more. We can't look at all of them. There are thousands, maybe millions of different animals in the different environments. So we can't look at all of them. Wow, that would take too long. What about the plants? Well, there are many animals, and there are probably even more plants. Again, there are so many. That looks like a plant that we would see in a rainforest. The rainforest has got so many plants that often they will live one on top of the other. We are only going to choose one plant and one animal from each environment. Now that plant is bamboo, but we're going to choose a different plant from the rainforest. It was very difficult to choose which animal, and very difficult to choose which plant. How do we choose? Oh, big headache. It's difficult. Very difficult. I did have to do a lot of thinking. But you come back soon to find out which one we did choose. Now, I've told you the gorilla, but what about the plant? And then what about the other environments? Don't forget, we're going to look at 4 very different environments this week. So, see you very soon. Bye for now. Let's go and see our 2 final friends. Here they are. You know, they want to say thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.